Remember when buying something meant you actually owned it? Movies, software, even cars. It was yours. Today, your movies can disappear overnight. Your software stops working if you stop paying. Even car features are becoming monthly fees. At first, subscriptions seemed harmless, Netflix, Spotify, but over the last decade, they've escaped tech and started consuming everything. The subscription model is quietly extracting money from you every single month without you even realizing it. Imagine you're a business owner. Would you rather sell a product once or get paid every month for the rest of their life? The answer is obvious. A customer paying $20 once is nice. A customer paying $20 every month for 10 years, that's worth thousands. Predictable revenue, predictable growth. Once companies discovered this power, there was no going back. But this shifted how we think about ownership. Most things you own today are actually just rented access, and access can be revoked. Digital purchases vanish. Accounts get suspended, features get removed. We've accepted this trade because subscriptions feel cheap. $10 here, $15 there. It leads to the invisible leak. You don't feel poor from one big expense. You feel poor from 1,000 tiny ones that you stop noticing. Companies know you'll scrutinize a $500 purchase, but rarely 10 separate $15 charges. The psychological pain is fragmented. The next phase isn't entertainment. It's physical life. Cars, homes, appliances, everything generating monthly revenue. When everything is a subscription, ownership becomes a luxury. The people who own assets collect payments. The people who don't, pay them. The subscription economy took over because it's incredibly profitable. We traded control for convenience. The question is, how much of your life are you willing to rent before you realize you don't actually own anything anymore?